Alt text is a contraction of alternative text. It's a short written description of an image which makes sense of that image when it cannot be viewed for some reason. Well-written alt text is critical for those with certain disabilities because it describes the function and appearance of an image, photo, or graphic that they cannot see. When using pictures, images, animations, charts, tables, or graphs, text alternatives must be provided for the non-text content and function. The words in the alternative text must provide a textual equivalent of that image. If the image is a link, the function must also be provided within the alt text. If the image is purely for decorative use, meaning there is no educational value to that image, then descriptive alternative text is not needed. Instead, you can simply click the box entitled Decorative Image in Canvas. As a side note, it is not recommended to begin your alternative text using image of, picture of, or graphic of, as screen readers will automatically note that that is an image. Captions or long descriptions should be used to explain complex images, charts, or graphs. However, our focus today is how to include alternative text or the decorative image option within Canvas. As you can see, I am within a fictitious course site within Canvas, and on this page contains an image. If I need to add alternative text to this image, I must first click Edit to edit the page within Canvas. Once I am able to edit the page, I scroll down and I simply select the image. Once I click on the image, you will notice that Image Options appears. I click on Image Options, and I can then add my alternative text for this image within the text field entitled Alt Text. Remember, your alt text should be accurate and equivalent to the image being presented, both in content and function. It should be as succinct as possible, normally no more than a few words, though rarely sometimes a short sentence or two can be used. If it takes more than 2 short sentences, it is best to use a caption to describe the image. If your image is decorative in nature and not used for any instructional value, you can simply click on the checkbox entitled Decorative Image. Notice that it grays the alt text area out. Once you have either entered your alternative text or clicked the Decorative Image checkbox, be sure to scroll down and click Done. Then scroll down your page and click Save. Your alternative text is now added to your image. Be sure to do so for all images within your Canvas course site.
We hope you enjoyed this fast flow. Check out the links in the description of this video for our continuously updated resources.